Hi everyone, I'm Anuja Jain here, your English teacher. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. ND Kothari English School welcomes you on to the online classes as we all are locked down at our home, but nothing can stop us from learning, is it? Yes. So, your school has brought online classes for you. I know you all are missing your school, your playground, your teachers, everyone. I hope all the situation gets better very soon and we all can meet. But for now, we have to learn online only. So, we want each and every student to pay a whole dedication towards the video, whatever you are getting it. Please watch it, please listen it carefully. Look it just twice or thrice if you're not able to get it. And of course, you can ask the doubts, whatever you have through the messages. Of course, we will try to clarify all the doubts, whatever you have. Okay? Yes. So, let's begin the new session of our fifth standard. Okay? या सो जैसे हम स्कूल में अपना दिन हम प्रेयर से शुरू करते थे, वैसे भी कोई भी काम शुरू करने से पहले वी रियली नीड द ब्लेसिंग्स ऑफ आवर अलमाइटी. सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग आवर न्यू सेशन, let's do the prayer. I'll just sing one slinger shoka of goddess Saraswati. So please, हम assembly तो अभी एक साथ कर नहीं सकते, but we can listen this shloka together. So let's start the prayer before starting our new session. Okay? Get ready for shloka. या कुंदेन्दु तुषार हार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिर्देवे सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेषजाड्यापहा निशेषजाड्यापहा. So now we are blessed with the blessing of our Almighty also. So let's begin our new session. So today I'm going to teach you grammar. So our first topic is adjectives. Okay? So let's start. Okay. Now we will see what is adjective. So our topic is adjective. Let me read the definition. Words that are used to describe a noun or pronoun are called adjectives. Okay, so I just want to say you, let us try to understand what does the adjectives means. Adjective, you can see this word add in the adjective. Means adjective has the word add in it. What is add in it? Add in it means to add something more to it. Means when we are adding something more to any pronoun or noun, and when we are giving more information and when we are describing it in detail, so that particular word are called adjectives. Is it clear for you all? Yes. So adjectives means adding something more to the noun or pronoun. Okay. So let's see the example. First example is Sheila is a beautiful girl. So what we are saying in the first example is Sheila is a beautiful girl. So what kind of girl Sheila is? She is beautiful. What she is? She is beautiful. So we are adding more to Sheila and we are describing more about Sheila as that she is beautiful. So here beautiful is our adjective. So is that clear for you all? Yes. Let's see the second example. Sandwiches are good in taste. So what sort of taste does the sandwiches possess? What sort of taste? Good. How they are? Like they are good. So here good is our adjective. Okay, so I hope you all understood what do the adjectives really means to add something more to noun or pronoun. Clear? Yes. So today we are going to learn, there are actually many types of adjectives, but today we are going to learn about only three adjectives, that is adjective of quality, quantity and number. Okay, so let's see our first adjective of quality. So what is adjectives of quality? Adjectives of quality, of course, quality, you all know what do the quality mean. Of course, yes, quality may be good or bad or whatever it may be. So let's see the definition. It expresses the kind or quality of a person or thing. Of course, it expresses about the quality. For example, if I say Tina is a brave girl, so what quality we are adding here more about Tina? We are saying that she is a brave girl. So what is the quality of Tina? That she is brave. So here brave is our adjective of quality. Is that clear for you all? Yes. Next example is Giraffe is a tall animal. Giraffe is a tall animal. So, what quality do the giraffe possess? That it is tall animal. So here tall indicates about the quality. So tall is an adjective of quality over here. I hope you all are getting it. So adjectives of quality, it express about the quality. The quality may be good or bad. So let's see some of the common words which are used as adjectives of quality. Some of the common words that are like of quality are honest, smart, beautiful, brave, tall. All these are some of the words of adjectives of quality. Okay, I hope you all are clear with the concept of adjectives of quality. So now let's move on to the second type, that is adjective of quantity. Please don't get confused about quality and quantity. Quality, of course, you know it expresses about the quality, and quantity. Quantity here, when we are speaking about quantity, it really means about the amount. Okay, see the first point. These adjectives tells us how much amount of a noun or a pronoun it is. So here mainly we have to focus on amount because it indicates about amount. However, they do not provide exact number, is it? Yes, they are not saying about exact number. They are just saying about the amount of a noun or a pronoun it is. Okay, so focus on amount in the adjective of quantity. Let's see the example so that will be more clear for us. First is there is not much milk in the jug. So if I see the first example that there is not much milk in the jug, यानी much milk यानी ज़्यादा दूध नहीं है जग में, ज़्यादा दूध नहीं है जग में. So what is this much? This much is amount. So that is our adjective of quantity. Clear? Yes. Let's see the second example. I need some money to buy stationery. I need some money to buy stationery. यानी मुझे some money यानी मुझे थोड़े पैसे चाहिए stationery buy करने के लिए. So what is थोड़े पैसे? That some. This some money. So what this sum is our adjective of quantity. I hope you all are getting it. So what is adjective of quantity? That is the amount. Whatever is been what has been indicates over here. Okay, clear for you all? Yes. Let's see some of the common words which are used as adjectives of quantity. Some of the common words are much, enough, little, all, some, etc. These are some of the words which are used as adjectives of quantity. Clear? Yes. I hope you all understood about the quality and quantity. Coming to our last type which we are going to learn today, that is adjective of number. This is really very easy. We don't have any sort of confusion over here. These adjective tells us how many people or things are in a particular sentence. Okay, so here it says about the particular number of people or thing which are present. For example, if we see the first example, there are 5 mangoes in the fridge. How many mangoes are there in fridge? 5. How many mangoes? 5. So 5 is the number which is indicated over here. So here 5 is our adjective of number. I hope you all are clear with this. And next is, there are 40 students in my class. So how many students? 40 students. So 40 here is our adjective of number. I hope you all understood what is adjective of number. Is that clear? Yes. So we are clear now with adjective of number also. So that's all we learned about the 3 types of adjectives. That is adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, and adjective of number. So now we are clear about the quality, quantity, and number. But once again, I want to figure out. First, we have learnt about the definition. That what is adjective? That they are describing words. That they are adding something more to noun or pronoun. Clear? Yes. Then we have seen about adjective of quality. Quality, of course, it indicates about the quality, that it may be good or may be bad. Then coming to the next type which I explained you, that is adjective of quantity. So quantity, we have to focus main on amount over here, because it indicates and it tells us about the amount of a noun or a pronoun. And the third type which we have learnt today is adjective of number, which is really very simple and really very clear, that it indicates about the number. Okay, so that's all for today. I just explained you the 3 types of adjectives. Today these 3 types of adjectives are really enough, and in the next session we will learn more about adjectives. So for today, this much is enough. I'll really thank you all of you to watch the video very perfectly and with a whole attention. And I will provide you with the notes of these adjectives, whatever I taught you, as well as I will provide you some solved worksheets of adjectives, so that will be easier for you to refer and recollect. As well as I will give you some practice worksheet also, which you really have to practice at your home, so that your skill can improve and you can be well versed in whatever you are learning it. Okay, so I will provide you with the worksheets through the messages. So for now, our class is this much only. So bye bye everyone. Thank you so much for watching this. Let's meet soon in the next session. Thank you.